Good day, and welcome to Fletch Flips, where you never know what flipping things might flip up at Fletch Flips to flip on our eBay store. Welcome. Have you ever thought about a savings account that can give you 100, 200, 300, 400% returns? I'm going to show you how you can do that with an eBay savings account. So let's get rolling. We're not going to hold you hostage to the end of this video. We're going to show you right up front what we made on the items that we sold Friday, Saturday, and Sunday this past weekend, and show you the profits and how much money we deposited into our eBay savings account and how much money we withdrew and how much we made. So let's take a look. All right, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we sold 18 items out of our eBay store. Now, these are items that we have purchased over the last month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. The average days it's taken us to sell each of these 18 items is 110 days. So what's that? Just shy of 4 months. Some of them sell in a day, some of them sell in a week, 3 weeks, and some take longer. But we only deposited $63.77 into these items. That's our eBay savings account. And if you deposit $63.77 into a bank savings account and left it there for 110 days, you're getting peanuts. And I mean, it's not even a part of a peanut. So I look at it this way. I pick up these items at garage sales, thrift stores, wherever I'm stopping. While we're going out to get groceries, we swing by the thrift store and we pick this thing up. So we deposited $63.77. As I said, the 110 days to sell. And the total sale price of these items that we sold were $493.63. The net profit after shipping that we had to pay for shipping and eBay fees, the net profit was $307.15 that we got returned in 110 days on a $63.77 deposit. That's a 482% return. Can't find a bank in the world that pay you 482% in 110 days on 18 items. If you want to stick around, we're going to show you the items that we sold. Plus, we sold a few more items that we're decluttering. Let me get this out here. We're decluttering our house because we're into our mid 60s. And you know what? We're not waiting around for an estate sale to sell the stuff after we're dead and gone. The kids don't want this stuff, so we're selling it, clearing it out, taking our money, and enjoying life. So if you want to stick around and see what else we sold, there's a lot of great information in this video, especially some bolos, items that we picked up for $5, $6 and sold them for $58. It's pretty incredible. So let's take a look at what we sold. Enjoy. Let's take a look at some crazy awesome sales we had this weekend. We picked up this Guitar Hero at a thrift store about a week ago, paid $10 for it, so $10.60. And on that item, we sold it for $32.77 plus the shipping of $12.74. I sold it untested, 4 parts or not working. That's one way you can cover yourself. They cannot return it when you're selling it for parts or not working. Some of the scammers know how to get away with it, but we're not going to share that here. So we sold it, made our money, and that made us a net profit of $18.64. That's a 176% return. So that was a nice deposit into our eBay savings account that we got back in only 1 day. That's right, because I listed this Saturday morning. It was sitting there for about a week. I hadn't gotten to it, and I listed it, and it sold the very next day. So going well for the weekend. And we sold this refurbished Dirt Devil handheld vacuum. I tear them apart, clean them up, put a new belt in them, clean up everything. Bag inside out, just go right through it. Pick these things up cheap, $3, $4, $5, $6. And we sold it for $47.77 plus the shipping of $14.40. And that gave us the net return of $36.06. So we deposited $6.36 into our eBay account. And this has been here for quite some time. It's been 230 days. They're not fast sellers. They usually sell faster than this. But you know what? Made that deposit, got a withdrawal, and made our money. A 567% return. Want to make some money putting together puzzles? My girl Leslie does. My wife of 46 years loves putting together puzzles. And we pick them up at the garage sales, estate sales, and thrift stores, just like I've told you, for peanuts. We pay less than $3 for all of them. $3 is about the max. Once in a while, maybe above 3. We picked this one up for $2.70 at a thrift store. And we sold it for the $32.77 plus $2.23 shipping. I just kind of threw that on there. Pick up an extra couple of bucks to cover our handling fees and our materials. That ended up making us a $20.18 net profit. Right there alone is 747% return. That's a great return on our eBay savings account. In the beginning of the video, I told you about a couple items that we picked up for $6 a piece and sold them for 58 bucks. Here they are, Bolo. Be on lookout for these items. This is a brand new Bolo that Leslie and I discovered. We left the house Friday morning and had a estate sale to go to. Happened to buy a couple of garage sales, and we hit the thrift stores. At this particular thrift store, we saw this vest. And the reason this vest caught my eye is because it said Great Harbor Yacht Club. That's in Nantucket Island. And I says, this must be some pretty good stuff if they're selling that there. So I looked it up. Musto, M-U-S-T-O Performance Clothing. This happened to be a sailing vest. And I looked up the comps, and I says, this thing's going to make some money. We paid $6 for it. So that's another $6 deposit plus the tax into our eBay savings account. Sometimes the money comes back to you after several months. Sometimes it comes back to you the same day. Bought it on Friday, listed it on Saturday morning for $57.77 plus the shipping. It sold within a couple of hours. We made the deposit and made the withdrawal on the same day. That gave us a net profit of $44.72. That's a 703% return on our eBay savings account. You gotta love it. Here's another great bolo that sold on the weekend. I do not know how to pronounce this. Le Creuset or Le Creuset? Who knows? You get the message. Whistling teapot. We picked this up at a thrift store. We paid $5.99 plus the taxes on this item, so $6.35. We listed it on Saturday morning, and it sold late yesterday, Sunday, and we got $57.77 for it, plus the shipping of $12.38. That gave us a net profit of $44.82, a 706% return in one day. I love these bolos that happen within one day on the same weekend. Great returns. Be on the lookout. Just a quick shout out to a couple of YouTube channels that I came across recently on reselling. One is the Thrift Tank. She does a good job with her videos and a lot of information to share. Has a cool husband and a couple of really cool dogs, so check it out. The Thrift Tank. I'll put a link below. The other one is the Hourly Flipper. This individual has a nice little channel that he's getting going, and we're helping him out just like the Thrift Tank, and they help us out. We're a community, and that's what it's all about. So check out Hourly Flipper. He has great information on books if you're into those. We have 3 more crazy awesome sales for you, and then we're going to get to the small world. So stay tuned. We sold this tailor-made titanium 3-wood with the bubble shaft. If you're golfers, you'll remember those probably. I used to play these things, and this is a left-handed one, which is, I'm a lefty. So we sold this for $27.77 with free shipping. They don't bring a lot of money, but I picked this up at a, what was it? Oh, at a garage sale for $1. They just had them sitting out there, and I bought the driver also. The driver hasn't sold yet, but bought them each for $1. The TaylorMade sold for the $27.77 with, after the fees and stuff, we made us 15 bucks. 1,500% return, turning $1 into $15. The old savings account's growing, and we're getting some withdrawals. A Titleist Vokey wedge. Picked this up at an estate sale on the second day of the sale, and everything was half off. They had it marked $4, so we got it for $2. Sold it for $32.77 with free shipping. That Vokey wedge made us a profit of $17.83, an 892% return. You're starting to get the drift of having an eBay savings account, investing only $63.77 and getting these kind of returns is pretty darn nice. And here's another item, a Kirby vacuum bag. Got her all cleaned out, looking good. Sold it for $32.77 plus the $10.23 shipping. These Kirby bags sell well for us. I always clean them out real good and get good money for them. I want to make a nice return on our investment. And this we only had, what did I put this at? We had $8 into it. I buy the complete Kirby's, part them out, and just kind of price out each part based upon what kind of money we can get for them, and see what kind of return we can get. So we sold it for $8 plus bought it for $8, and we sold it for the $32.77, a $21.50 profit, net profit after the fees and everything, a 269% return. Here's the smalls that we sold. Smalls are items that we sell and make a net profit of $12 or less on. We sold 10 of them this weekend over the 3 days, and we paid $16.16 for the 10 items total. Our net profit after fees and everything was $67.50. That's a 418% return. These 10 items took us maybe a half an hour to an hour at the very most to list, package, and get them out the door. I like smalls because it all adds up. $67.50 withdrawal from our eBay savings account over a 3-day weekend. It's like free money, baby. 418% return. Here's a quick look at the smalls that we sold. As I said, Leslie and I are decluttering this house. Lived here 25 years. It's time for this stuff to go. And we're not going to let it lay around for an estate sale or garage sales or anything else. We're going to sell it, get our money, and enjoy it. So here's a couple of things that we've sold this week that put some money in our pocket, and it's no longer laying around on a shelf. Something you might want to think about. We sold another firearm on gunbroker.com. Put this Sig Sauer 1911 22 long rifle pistol. We've had this for numerous years, had a lot of fun with it at the range, shooting, having some shooting contests and everything else. It's time for it to go. We had too many firearms, don't need them all, just keeping our favorites, and this one's sold. Put it up for auction on gunbroker.com 1 week ago. It sold for $355. After the fees, we end up keeping right about $300. So it's better in our pocket than sitting on a shelf. We also sold this Beretta U-22 Neos. This is a cool gun. It was a lot of fun to shoot, but we'd go to the range and shoot all the different pistols at different targets and things, and keep score, and had a blast doing it. But I always wanted to come home and clean all the guns, and it takes quite a bit of effort and work. So we just kept our most favorites. But the old Beretta had to go. Put it up for auction. It brought $217. After the fees, put about $170 in our pocket. Just more money for a little good time in the retirement years. We also sold this Honeywell safe. No longer needed it. We haven't actually used it in probably 3, 4, 5 years. Who knows? We put her up for sale. $21.77 plus the shipping of $19.67. This wasn't light, but it sold very quick. It took about 4 or 5 days is all. So more money in our pocket. And one last thing. This wasn't a declutter item. It wasn't sold on the weekend, but we did sell it last week. We picked this up at an estate sale just a couple of weeks ago for $10. This was a really cool bag, as you can see here. I mean, it was just excellent condition. And it's an old vintage bag, had the rain cover and everything. We put it up for sale for $117.77, as you can see here, and we sold it plus the shipping. So it made us right about $100 bill after the fees and everything in our pocket. Deposited $10, got $100. I sure hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been fun sharing it with you. Leslie and I have a great time just sharing these things, traveling around the old countryside, hitting thrift stores, garage sales, and estate sales to find things to flip on Fletch Flip's eBay store. It's a heck of a lot of fun, and it's a fun retirement. Makes you some good money, too. Hey, live a crazy good day. We'll see you soon.